de yentumi nim komo ni January.
Me da say I had to folk. Or any signings.
Okay.
Na me imagine say me wura mu ni medidi nkomo bi no ma hwade. Na ade ba ko na mahu. So far the signings no enie Rosin Treme from Park Academy. Sabranten National Under 23. We're part of it. Now, was signed Manuel Sejan and so we defended the centre back Abdul Aziz. And was signed Mustafa Yakubu. So can Mustafa Yakubu. Very strong guy. The days at Lions. Very good player. Was signed and Alex Banso. Banso no say new Sani Mohammed had to folk Enyano. And Mianga me Papa Kamrat. Namuru Soccer Academy.
Okay, Camarade player.
Yes. Unim say Camarade and so there. Or the eye of fat talent, Papa.
Yes, of
so
course.
Him say on a dada koja someone starting a ball. Na koja somewhere that make kind of story no. It was so interesting. Now nobody. One boy na also mama money ekone ho. She Sabranti Rosin Treme no. Forward no. Who say offer to folk so far the signings are or make it their friend a statement signing. Just say any player be a big player na say name be a bohu. Na yenim so say season yi has need the opio on pio one Liga also FA Cup. Ontimi nko ne say de wako no 2-3 seasons. Ye ntwema no enye adwuma. Kotokonso saa. Enti ye share ni moguso ye ne signings. Ye share nim say obey a statement signing ba kum yenu bi. But this boy, our prospect here, what say has signings no? Adeba ko ami hu ha so nie. Oye be at the business. And you necessarily results say players be on my man results. E be for business. Sure. 2 seasons ago, had to folk time no fast Sani Mohammed about so Messi so can Accra. It was clear say Accra no stay my ball season new year. How an boy na say and the ball and all bono. Jack, not another day. He was so exciting a talent to watch. But had to folk Elquaco fan or fan or set on Nequaco business. Or who are cranny talent no see there be way there. Our side, no, yeah, quick near Woody. Make us all quaco for upon a franny. That time, not Kim Faisal. Echo relegation, so I can not Kim Faisal any premier. But upon a franny that time, Obeka is a banner 1 billion. And a buy, say how to folk the quaco for upon a franny. And my mom for crying, I didn't play or no. Ni team echo relegation. Now quaco to 1 billion. But the new referee say, no upon a franny as a national team Jesse. I don't know how to folk. Any dear or the boy neighbor Babe. And that time the deal was around 30-40. Now to folk the 60. Also normally so offer Division 1 player. Division 1 players, no, yeah, 4 more. I am not doing in here. It be away 15 and now 20% onward transfer. Now we Premier League team now offer no 80% because in a way on our man a platform. Yeah, they are tongue. Anytime I better say play on no free Division 1 ever. And yet 30 and now 40% onward transfer. No. Nature say club me so desperate say oh here player no and no money dey nipa no edeba and he has mahu say oh yes our line say our botaye and to offer certain players timi gusu amehe statement signings ba kum yenu miensa nim but this boy Rosin Treme no ade ba ko amani chi nie where that type of striker na he's a bulky striker oh say has new coach Bruni one say abrofu coaches no so na omo per strikers so me bulky
Helen mo
type no na Treme no say o person who appreciating it say the okra Zlatan Ibrahimovic yes yes bro who do oben one boy no block o say skillful say Ojebola senior ordinate na ma wa o block wa ja obeto form akwane ho adin yie osanso tene our power obesutu aso
and the hours for tribe of my fan who asem na okay
ne wansam na me kan Rosin Treme osan tene say a wo our power udi agro so ba bi o be place ball no oyembe so unim osanso a dead ball specialist our good link up play it is a house on so mo bo no munya bia number 10 or very exciting to say Alex Bansudie. No be adwuma na. And really the guy is also very good. Tie. ni tika ne naika esro e good e form so ni hu ehu entinu nim se one unya number 10 obe free ne app na ono aye adwuma no e de ama boy no ana wo san so enya wingers or laterals almost be a lot of crosses. This Tremor boy, you people should watch out for him.
Okay.
He's a huge prospect. And Adema Akune said, has one. My jinin, bro. So I drab idea be so anytime I boss had to fuck air performing. Almost a certain number 10 hour year, Juma. Who they study?
O for kwabna mo time no
na mean so fa yuria asante
benya
fa won fu kwabna mo
Thomas abi mu bi be ye adwuma bi
fa boy we the last time I had to fuck Angelic Ibrahim Salifu Di Maria
Salifu Di Maria mo time
so wahu
yeah of course
it's so when you picture me kra me fa mo nkotete na yira mo nti udi na nse ade enti anytime I boss has air perform
Di Maria yeah you know mo de Linda so be ball kakra
the
same star
the Don Linda yes. And to this study, anytime I was a had to folk, and Yama F say you know, or a certain number 10. Oh yeah, Jumano. Boy, when they disappointed me, I cry when Uncle bet me as a Jumano. Martin Kakari. Oh, Kakari prospect or the Haspa. He was so excited of you.
About to miss a player, yeah.
But the problem is, oh, you serious? Kakari, any Accra almost buy a pay. Emmanuel. Oh, per talent pass, how boys look at talent here, Papa.
I know be as only serious now. Can I now person say?
Any 8 hour, Obi or how in Bob. Now, all Bob, no say who any brave on our family say, or per se born or born, or body quetry. Obi so what born or born. Who say, I can't say that name born Bobias how. But I can't bob on say no boy in any abre. But all to the mission nothing. So, offer Martin Kakari. Now, they have the technique. I'm with the ball, I'm a caress ball, I'm a ball crack corner keke. But only one problem. I'm winning brew or branum. I say, maybe I saw behind him saying Bobo, Petsa, and where J. Jan, who next him, they're not in them. When I say maybe they may be obedient. Because, sir, and she beat me 10 years ago, or beat me a mouth cakey. Who's a car, quite technique is different.
Okay.
And you type, no see a certain type of players are almost as you very rare. My name Abako, for a crowd where a Praha na champion player, no, Yamane Diane Casa, I will put you there. Boy, we appear McCarthy. The first player Ghana had. Of 3 Division 1 I turn aboard, there was Apia McCarthy. And son upon our friend Democrat, your neighbor. Apia McCarthy, 1 billion then and a champion at the turn. That time now I'm bro ni sporting director no na catch champions akwa we ne podium wonim say o man dan na we putu ja Apia McCarthy crabola ne kick the technique or the ball or the ball and the ball control ni bibia hu say e different bra me boa eye Iniesta mo line ni bi o sa Barca for ne line ni bi o mo kick o bibia e different Martin Kakari the ball asa hu the technique or the ball how exciting or ye or man passer this is a special player. Emmanuel Enchi Jibola. Mujina pitch na so na mo bobola. Unse Enchi ball no boni different from Obia dia obo. Opa o dia manenya just 5 touches. 5 touches keke no kra no. Unse no. Kono. Difference no level ni wom. Ti that type of players no. Aya no hu eden. Na ye papa untanya. Enti unya de ade. Enti u dey imagine how to folk. Akra we see ya can Alex Banso. Na wasa se na nka boy yi hu so. Na omophobia spirit na sene mu na mura no ho. Na nka akra we bo pa. Na imagine say nka Martin Kakari nso hu so a. Oh bra. Na small boy ya make a Rosin yi.
So you know what person just out of folk signings no more yen. A good dear be out of folk.
Yes.
For the kind of players you on board.
Unim no krenese. And your top class signings and Kabeka a resume morale people. Mijitum.
What is that to help?
Yes, or me, of course. Mitanase, champion party.
You.
And your top signings. But me make sure how exciting our talent will be.
Okay.
And to you, we are unimade. What you sound cry way, dear, you know. Now what pet players for more exposure levels by 3. Now do more room because only a bass I know. I'm the coaching crown. I bet you say, would you imagine so Bobo now will be say amateur na trade na anymore. I can't need ball and hey Jack. Movie far ball ne to her. Said yourself form no way all when na o coachy. And your ball taken all on the pitch. And a sound so boy cranny maturity level no or boy man may be a cool year. And to the has area no men condemn it and pay. Because football near can yes and a football no a big business. And the young could for the lie. Yeah, the youth no neighbor. Now the internet bo. Basa malamini more chance. No more bo. Now my casado more chance no more ba. Edru ye can want some jeje. But Edru has ne kotokoso. No kofa pitami du mua. And on the asia ba high and TB da yen say no. Yes say na ye anamba to me boa. Who say yes akra ya fair to them. Sometimes make no. Ye pressure can hu na mom kofa players be any so mofa. Kotokone has because of say January di go omuchem. Monto top stars. I thought that bones are poponti. Oh, who say yes and watching the unity of baby? I know about the pressure. And to the more mini problem. Oh, your football business for the future, it is good. And Adeba Kunye has assigned top players from Mosai national team jersey, which is also very good. Oh yeah, Jumo, Mustafa Yakubu, so no Susan national team jersey. Boy, you Susan national team jersey, Meboa. And the moment I will yes already and can almost win some level of exposure because and you'll be on a national team jersey, Meboa. And already national team jersey no more action. A brother sounds to the value be a sababa to almost so it is very good.
Okay.
But Mesrom said your 3 key positions. Mumpe quality and the level sign also experience the time we year pa me and sanction. Women striking department no anka cry ya kan ohu anka benya palm and started from bench utie now we mature striker bia or ye established on a level and ono boy no tinche no redidi onya chance no obamu a no baba be adwuma because it's more adobai no obaba to a certain Osmanu ya na ne dine Osmanu Amadu okay omo bulky striker not to say Akin Rashidi obaba to no Satan no Joe family wo ho. Yeah. It is mad assassin no free bench na ebo. Yam rase sa. Hamza is had yam boa kra no. Say Hamza is on. Say oban na nka has we established striker bia. Anko bet te bench ona. E omo anu aba bebo 20-30 minutes. Na nka friendlies ni ade omo airborne. Omo use omo because Ismail say no. That time crowd no omo ne had to folk. Youth team no. No omo no omo bo. Na that time no. You to me share seniors and I have seniors in to me no.
But as for time na sa net you. Way back now we call Unya Prince Tego bo Ismailado ba Louis Ajmaya ba na like
what body Louis
you see and then I'm so sad but I see no about betiko about betiko space about them.
Mo enti no eno no also mo hye niye na asema me ka o mo form adwene nkoso. Enti wunya experience player back because midfield for instance boy we be adwuma no carry mo be adwuma no e de amount me one boy ne talent no say me Theophilus Collins and so kai akwa we buy power alcoholic midfielder but suddenly na boy no echo off and two per experience player back na ba be gina midfield enim ho no anya one experience player no gina ho e ye nema me has da bia me kase omo back for no problem we said that ho dey steady how to folk one almost central defensive pair no e ho crowd ye ehu ye nko Ali Mohammed ne
first family
bro omo sise omo niema yie mini problem signings na omo ye no me nka se enye eye but on top signings bad 3 no fancy team okay come on say the team be because team last season transfer ban and so o place it show petit man na unconceded goals to cry na e ono.
Yeah, of course that means enough the back line
no problem but no midfield no creativity no na e form
okay
attack no so na e form so I say na ni ya and ko betimi age leg no
okay judo usu ba for na Martin and kan kala blame kakra